Before you buy that used car, watch this video. Today, I'm counting down 69 used cars that have repeatedly disappointed owners, with expensive repairs and reliability issues. I'll break down the hidden issues behind each model so you know exactly what to avoid. At number 69, the Mazda CX-3 models from 2019 to 2020 might catch your eye for their compact appeal, but recurring infotainment glitches and minor transmission issues gradually add up to costly repairs, making this model a risky used car purchase. At number 68, the Lincoln Corsair models from 2020 struggle with early electronic quirks that compromise its reliability. These teething problems affect everything from dashboard displays to key functions, meaning you might face frequent repair visits. At number 67, the Chevrolet Blazer models from 2019 to 2020 are marked by transmission hesitations and occasional powertrain glitches. These issues can interrupt the smooth operation you expect and, of course, undermine their promise of dependable performance. Ranked 66, the Jeep Compass models from 2014 to 2016 present a rugged exterior, yet their underperforming CVT and sluggish responsiveness quickly become a serious drawback. This car underperforms in everyday driving scenarios, reducing overall satisfaction. At number 65, the Nissan Rogue models from 2013 to 2016 and 2018 to 2019 are plagued by recurring transmission issues that lead to high repair costs and diminished reliability. Unless you've got a side hustle as a transmission mechanic, this one's a hard pass. Number 64 on our list is the Ford Escape. Despite its modern styling, models from 2013 to 2016 and 2020 are compromised by EcoBoost engine problems and intermittent performance blips that can disrupt your daily commute. At 63, the Chevrolet Camaro models from 2017 to 2019 should deliver sporty performance but are instead hampered by clutch issues and problematic infotainment systems. That's really bad if you rely on the car for both performance and day-to-day functionality. Ranked 62, the Volkswagen Tiguan models from 2012 to 2018 offer European styling, but frequent turbo and ignition coil failures compromise overall reliability, making it a model you might want to avoid if you're looking for a trouble-free ride. At number 61, the Hyundai Tucson models from 2016 to 2017 are appreciated for their looks but suffer from dual-clutch transmission issues. These problems lead to a jerky, unpredictable ride, reducing driving comfort and reliability. At number 60, the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2019, though marked as family SUVs, are flawed by a problematic ZF 9-speed transmission. That means expensive, unexpected repairs. Avoid this model if you value consistent performance. At number 59, the BMW 3 Series models from 2012 to 2015 and 2019 promise a premium driving experience, but persistent oil leaks and expensive repairs quickly erode their so-called allure. Reliability concerns outweigh its driving appeal. At 58, the Dodge Durango models from 2011 to 2013 and 2016 to 2018 suffer from electrical gremlins and inconsistent performance. If you're considering a Durango from these years, be prepared for ongoing maintenance challenges that can disrupt daily driving. At number 57, the Hyundai Elantra models from 2011 to 2016 have proven vulnerable to engine stalling and high oil consumption. Buyers looking for quality should avoid the Elantra. Ranked 56, the Chevrolet Malibu models from 2013 to 2016 and 2018 to 2019 suffer from a weak transmission paired with turbo issues. This combo results in an unpredictable driving experience and costly upkeep. At number 55, the GMC Terrain models from 2012 to 2014 and 2018 to 2020 experience excessive oil consumption, which leads to frequent maintenance issues. Buyers should consider these long-term costs before opting for a Terrain in these years. Still with me? We've covered 15 lemons, and trust me, it only gets worse from here. At number 54, the Lincoln MKZ models from 2011 to 2015 and 2018 aim for luxury but are let down by faulty electronics and fuel system glitches that compromise long-term dependability. If you're after a truly refined ride, the persistent technical problems in these years may make you think twice. At 53, the Ford Eagle models from 2015 to 2018 have been reported to suffer from sudden water pump failures that can cause unexpected downtime. Reliability becomes a serious issue when routine maintenance suddenly turns into an emergency. At number 52, the Audi Q5 models from 2012 to 2017 contend with timing chain tensioner issues that can quickly drive up repair costs, questioning their overall reliability. For a model that's expected to blend luxury with performance, this is a big downside. At number 51, the Nissan Maxima models from 2016 to 2019 may appeal as a sporty sedan, but repeated automatic transmission issues and no CVT to speak of make it a risky investment. Breaking into the top 50, the Mini Cooper models from 2012 to 2015 and 2018 face engine and transmission troubles that undermine their reputation as fun and reliable urban rides. I mean, it's cheap, but not a dependable ride. At number 49, the Kia Optima models from 2013 to 2016 and 2019 to 2020 may look stylish and affordable, but repeated reports of engine fires and recurring recalls signal serious safety and reliability risks. At number 48, the Chevrolet Traverse models from 2012 to 2015 and 2018 to 2019 offer ample space for family needs. Yet frequent transmission failures and related mechanical issues dent their dependability, so consider carefully. At number 47, the Jeep Cherokee models from 2014 to 2016 and 2019 to 2020 struggle with a jittery 9-speed transmission and various system glitches. This results in a hesitant, inconsistent drive that compromises daily performance. At 46, the Ford Mustang models from 2015 to 2018 are expected to deliver power, but chronic clutch issues and engine misfires detract from their performance and overall enjoyment. At number 45, the Mercedes-Benz GLE models from 2016 to 2019 carry the prestige of luxury but are marred by costly air suspension failures and other technical glitches. Such issues quickly erode their high-end appeal. Ranked at 44, the BMW X3 models from 2013 to 2015 and 2019 to 2020 are challenged by recurring turbocharger and fuel system problems, resulting in very expensive maintenance that dampens their luxury performance. At number 43, the Chevrolet Equinox models from 2012 to 2014 and 2018 to 2019 are compromised by excessive oil consumption and engine issues. If you're after a truly reliable SUV, the Equinox's chronic mechanical problems demand serious caution. At number 42, the Nissan Pathfinder models from 2013 to 2016 and 2018 are criticized for problematic transmissions and persistent radiator leaks. These defects not only hinder performance but also compromise safety, especially for a family vehicle. At 41, the Lexus LS models from 2013 to 2015 and 2018 to 2020 should embody luxury, yet these models reveal suspension and steering irregularities that undermine overall performance. Into the top 40, the Hyundai Sonata models from 2011 to 2015 and 2018 to 2019 appear promising and attractive until recurring engine failures and recalls expose their reliability issues. It's a less dependable choice in the midsize sedan market. Quick reality check. Did you spot your car on this list yet? No? Well, let's keep going and hope it stays that way. Or should I say, fingers crossed. At number 39, the Jeep Grand Cherokee models from 2011 to 2015 and 2018 to 2019 are burdened by persistent transmission issues and overall reliability concerns that erode their rugged reputation. At number 38, the Audi A4 models from 2012 to 2016 and 2018 may impress with their refined design, but high oil consumption and recurring electrical faults erode their reliability. These shortcomings lead to frequent repairs and diminished owner satisfaction over time. At number 37, the GMC Yukon models from 2012 to 2014 and 2017 to 2019 offer space and comfort, but chronic transmission troubles and high maintenance costs make them a risky bet. At 36, the Ford Expedition models from 2015 to 2018 are known for their size, yet persistent transmission and turbocharger failures compromise their reliability and performance as a family-friendly long-term vehicle. At number 35, the Chevrolet Suburban models from 2012 to 2016 and 2018 to 2019 are built for capacity, but air suspension problems and related issues lead to an uncomfortable ride and high repair expenses. At number 34, the Fiat 500 models from 2012 to 2016 charm with their compact design, but frequent electrical gremlins and minor mechanical quirks negatively impact their reliability. Ranked 33, the Tesla Model 3 models from 2019 to 2020 suffer from inconsistent build quality and paint defects, impacting long-term dependability. Not recommended as a used EV. At 32, the Porsche Cayenne models from 2012 to 2016 combine luxury with performance, but expensive repairs and persistent coolant leaks can quickly strain your budget, turning an otherwise prestigious SUV into a costly liability. At number 31, the BMW 5 Series models from 2012 to 2015 and 2018 offer a premium driving experience, though recurring timing chain and turbocharger issues remain the same here, making it a bad choice for buyers. Breaking into the top 30, the Ford Ranger models from 2019 to 2020 have been let down by persistent electrical glitches and transmission problems. Despite its rugged workhorse image, drivers report unexpected shutdowns and unresponsive gear shifting. At number 29, the Volkswagen Jetta models from 2012 to 2015 and 2019 suffer from troublesome turbo malfunctions and poor DSG transmission issues. It is a frustrating, unreliable ownership experience. At 28, the Chrysler Pacifica models from 2017 to 2020 are designed for family convenience, but repeated transmission problems and engine stalls make them an unsafe choice. At number 27, the Volkswagen Golf GTI models from 2012 to 2015 and 2019 to 2020 should deliver sporty performance, yet DSG gearbox malfunctions and intermittent issues detract from their overall reliability. At number 26, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class models from 2012 to 2015 and 2018 disappoint buyers by exhibiting electrical and engine irregularities, uncommon in a luxury compact. A major letdown from such a big company. Ranked 25, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 models from 2014 to 2016 and 2019 to 2020 are burdened by chronic transmission failures that of course result in massive repair costs and a loss of confidence in the truck's reliability. Okay, if you're still watching, you either love cars or you're really scared you'll find yours next. Either way, the worst is yet to come. At number 24, the Ram 1500 models from 2013 to 2015 and 2019 to 2020 are popular trucks that struggle with weak transmissions and electrical glitches, which negatively affect their performance and dependability. At 23, the Audi A6 models from 2012 to 2015 and 2018 are luxury sedans troubled by persistent oil leaks and timing chain issues. These defects force potential buyers to weigh its luxury appeal against the burden of ongoing repair costs. At number 22, the Volkswagen Passat models from 2012 to 2015 and 2019 are famous for their DSG gearbox behavior with inconsistent performance. Avoid this if you're looking for a smooth driving experience. Ranked 21, the Jeep Wrangler models from 2012 to 2015 and 2018 are famed for off-road capability. But persistent challenges with steering, suspension, and transmission can compromise daily safety. Avoid these models at any cost. Breaking into the top 20, the Chevrolet Cruze models from 2011 to 2012 are heavily impacted by multiple recalls and a poor reliability record, making them a major risk in the compact sedan segment. At number 19, the Chevrolet Impala models from 2012 to 2015 and 2018 suffer from chronic transmission failures and underwhelming performance. Drivers report persistent shifting problems and a lackluster driving experience, a big downside in the market. At 18, the BMW X5 models from 2012 to 2015 and 2019 are notorious for high oil consumption and recurring turbocharger issues. These faults quickly turned this luxury SUV into an expensive proposition. At number 17, the Dodge Grand Caravan models from 2011 to 2016 and 2018. Once popular minivans have seen their reputation decline due to frequent transmission and electrical problems. Ongoing reliability concerns make it a risky choice for family transport. Ranked 16, the Tesla Model S models from 2012 to 2016 and 2019 face battery and drive unit vulnerabilities. Despite its innovative design, the potential for expensive fixes and reduced battery life make it a terrible choice for buyers. At number 15, the Nissan Altima models from 2013 to 2016 and 2019 are infamous for their problematic CVT and frequent engine stalling, leaving drivers stranded and facing unexpected repairs. At number 14, the GMC Acadia models from 2012 to 2014 and 2018 to 2019 are flawed by recurring transmission failures and power steering issues, which diminish their appeal as a reliable family crossover. At 13, the Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2019, despite their reputation as workhorses, are troubled by frequent transmission shifting issues. Erratic gear changes and sudden breakdowns have turned this popular pickup into a maintenance challenge. Ranked 12, the Chevrolet Sonic models from 2012 to 2015 and 2018 struggle with engine failures and persistent turbocharger troubles. Marketed as an economical option, these mechanical issues lead to costly repairs and diminished fuel efficiency. At number 11, the Volvo XC90 models from 2016 to 2019 face persistent electrical and transmission deficiencies that frustrate many owners. Frequent service visits and unexpected repair costs have marred its reputation for safety and luxury. Alright, into the final 10. These cars aren't just unreliable, they're practically legends in the Bad Decisions Hall of Fame. At number 10, the Volkswagen Golf All-Track models from 2018 to 2019 struggle with DSG gearbox issues and recurring electronic glitches. These problems lead to unpredictable shifting and intermittent system failures, making daily use less practical. At number 9, the 2020 Lincoln Aviator is a red flag. Major drivetrain failures and a steep drop in reliability have plagued this model, leading to severe breakdowns. If you value peace of mind and long-term dependability, this luxury SUV is one you absolutely want to avoid. Ranked 8, the Ford F-250 models from 2015 to 2018 suffer from notorious power stroke diesel issues and faulty injectors, making it a poor choice for buyers seeking a rugged and dependable pickup. At lucky number 7, the Chrysler 200 models from 2012 to 2015 have a reputation severely tarnished by chronic transmission failures and engine stalls. Avoid it if you're looking for dependable transportation. At 6, the Nissan Leaf models from 2012 to 2016 are affected by rapid battery degradation and reduced driving range. These issues are serious for any EV buyer. If you're even considering an EV, these Leaf models are best steered clear of. Breaking into the top 5, the Jeep Renegade models from 2015 to 2018 are hampered by poor build quality and frequent electronic failures. While it may offer a quirky design, the Renegade's mechanical shortcomings make it a model you should avoid if reliability matters. At number 4, the Subaru Ascent models from 2019 to 2020 have been hit hard by early reports of CVT, engine and suspension issues. These initial problems greatly influence reliability. Don't even get me started with repairs. Ranked 3, the Hyundai Santa Fe models from 2013 to 2016 and 2019 are troubled by frequent engine failures and oil leaks, making them an expensive and unreliable risk in the midsize SUV market. At number 2, the Volkswagen Atlas models from 2018 to 2020 suffer from a host of powertrain and electronic failures that have led to widespread reliability issues. If consistency and dependability are priorities, the Atlas is one model you really need to avoid. At the top or bottom of our list is number 1, the Cadillac XT4. Models from 2019 to 2020 represent the absolute worst, with severe engine and transmission problems that result in steep repair bills and ongoing headaches. These issues compromise performance and safety, turning a luxury compact into a money pit. Never buy this used car. And that's a wrap. So, what's the worst used car experience you've ever had? And which car on our list would you warn your friends about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on 15 innovations that transformed cars. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.